to drive to the positive and environmental where everyone feels valued and empowered to the best contribute for the work. I'm also adapting the kanang in the environment of the workplace and also accept my mistaking. So that mistaking that I encounter to leadership will also be my strength to prove myself as a leader.
Me as a leader, I must drive planner and motivator, leading by example and inspiring others to achieve their goals. I focus on guiding the team with a clear vision, empathy, and accountability. My symbol or tool is torch. The torch is to represent my role as a leader who illuminates the path, providing guidance and hope within the challenging times.
I'm Priya April Manunhao. My tool is water bottle. As a leader, I am relevant and a provider to my team. As a member, I share knowledge and skills with my co-members, like sharing water to those who need it.
Hi everyone, my name is Hi everyone, my name is Ella Encantas, and my goal is spoon. Spoon is represent for support, sharing, and also teamwork. As a leader, I am supportive and adaptable, and as a team player, I am collaborative and open-minded sa mga members nila.
Hi classmates, my name is Laura Lanan, and my tool is watch. Watch is symbolize the time. Para na po as a leader kay importante jud ang time na ikuan nato sa ato ang grupo. Sundon jud ba para ma-unite ta o ang ato ang task is or kung naman kay task ma-achieve din nato siya on time para successful lang. Member kay, siyempre, kung member ta, need nato na mo-follow ta o unsay time na ihatag sa ato ang leader para ang ato ang project pananglitan, masabit din nato kung sa iyang deadline o para din
Stories of the different thoughts of the